Are you not confident to speak on camera, and maybe you are too shy to speak and post your video on the YouTube? I remember my time when it was my first video and I was not able to post that on the YouTube. And as compared to the Facebook was like a giant elephant for me to even post my video, because I knew that there are some people sitting, and whenever I will post my video, they are ready to post the comments. If you think like that, you are in the same boat as I was. So I took the path of the YouTube. I recorded video, but before that one video, I was keep talking to myself on camera like I'm talking to you right now. And I was like, okay, let's practice. I took the camera, I recorded myself, I speak randomly about many different things. Time to time I was recording, I was deleting videos, and these were all the things that I was going through the learning stage. I was going to recovering my shyness, or you can say that I was practicing to make myself a little comfortable to look in the camera and speak, which is I'm not really comfortable right now as well, but I am trying and learning as well. So you can see that what I want to tell you about, if you want to come on the YouTube, if you are not able to do it yourself, you need someone on your backup who can simply give you a little bit motivation, like, okay, if you have recorded, if you are not able to post on the YouTube, maybe you can upload and you are not able to press that public post so that it can go live. So you can take your brother, mother, sister, friend, whoever you think is a little bit motivated, who can just say you, do it, go do it. And if you are even not able to post by your fingers, that person should be able to simply just come and press the button and your video should go. So the fear that you are having in your mind here, what will happen, what will people say, everything will vanish, because nothing will happen like that you are imagining in your mind. So this is the experiences that I faced. I pushed myself, and on my first video I didn't post that myself, I had uploaded. I was not able to press that post button because I know what it feels on the camera, and even when you are first time on the camera and you feel how it will be when the people of the world are going to see you. My wife pressed the button and it went. At that time I realized that it is not something that is stopping me. Maybe it is also about you. So what do you think? What is your problem right now? If you are too shy, just pick your camera, pick your mobile, take it and press the record button and start talking to yourself. Start talking something. If you are not comfortable by looking in the camera icon, then you can simply first take your face off the camera and just speak randomly, because this way you get ideas directly in your mind. But when you are focused in the learning stage the first time, you just don't think what is coming. So you can take the camera and you can start talking like, okay, I want to say about this, these are my experiences, you're talking to yourself. So don't worry, maybe you will feel some shyness like, oh, what the hell is this? I'm feeling so awkward, or I'm feeling like a joker. So nothing matters, just stop and listen it again and watch yourself, observe how you feel. Then try again. Slowly you will feel improvement. If you even make 10 videos one by one, don't upload on the YouTube, don't upload on the Facebook, forget every social media. Just you have this in your pocket. Pick your mobile, record, watch yourself. Okay, done. And the next day do the second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. If you want to become comfortable, you have to start somewhere. You have to take the first step. slowly you will become comfortable, you will improve yourself, you will see that. Try this in the next week, try this for the next 7 days. Just record 1 minute video. I give you a task, just record a 1 minute video, pick the timer and speak for 1 minute. Look in camera or not, it doesn't matter, just speak for a minute. 1 minute per day, try it 7 days and then let me know in the comments below where did you reach. There are many tips, many solutions, many kind of things, but I'm just telling you how it can be done in easy steps without letting you to appear in the world. The first step is first, you have to become comfortable speaking on the camera. So when you see improvement after 1 week, let me know in the comments below. Let's see what happens. Take care of yourself and bye.